Oh, guys, part three here, and I didn't realize it was just going to cut me right off. I'm almost done, and it was like, ah. So let's see if I can get done with this one here. Um, yeah, this slide here's got a lot of stuff going on. You've got all of these different terms and numbers, and you got a bunch of blank canvas basically here to fill it in. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to click on the word, you're going to slide it and move it over to where it belongs. Uh, Plus, you're going to have some of these like little burst things down here. You've got the numbers 24, 2, 36, and 34. Again, some of these you're going to use, some of them you're not. Some of them you're going to use twice. And so you'll have to duplicate the numbers. So you're going to fill in the boxes, you're going to fill in the stars, you're going to fill in this brown or label the brown area or the tan area. You're going to label the arrows. So arrows here, majority of these things should be labeled so that just about everything gets to be used. And I said just about everything. Most of the major stuff here is going to be used. A couple of the numbers probably will not. And I think just about everything else is used. Okay. And then on this last slide, I've already put in a little notation of what I want you guys to, or how I want you guys to comment on this one. This is the general formula for cellular respiration. And you note which direction the arrow is going in. So these would be the reactants on this side, the products over here. Now, if the arrow was flipped around going the other way, then yeah, these would be the reactants, these would be the products. But the arrow is pointing from these guys to these guys, so these guys are the products. So my comment was, where are these products actually produced? Yeah, they're produced in cellular respiration, but where? And the where is for CO2 that's produced in the Krebs cycle. And the water is produced in the ETC. Okay, and that's pretty important as to that you know where that stuff is. This way you know that as these hydrogens are coming out of the ATP synthase, they're being bonded to the oxygen and producing water. And as the molecules of carbon are being broken off of molecules like citric acid, and they're exposed, they're now loose molecules, they're looking to bond with something, then oxygen is present to bond with them so they don't bond back with citric acid. So the oxygen is pretty necessary here to bond and capture these various molecules so that they don't rebond with the other things that are there or stall out the whole process, which would be the case if oxygen was not in the ETC area. Okay, so that's it for the Chapter 9 notes. Have any questions, see me in my tutoring hours from 1:30 to 3, and we'll see you then.